A presentation on multimedia innovative business solutions. Hello, my name is Sharon, and I will be presenting Global Trex Exploration, GTX, as my multimedia innovative business solution. I will be reviewing GTX Corp and giving a product overview, an explanation of the threats GTX Corp has on existing healthcare organizations, and lastly, I will be reviewing the partnerships GTX Corp has with existing healthcare organizations. GTX Corp is a wearable technology company founded in 2002. The company's headquarters is based in Los Angeles, California. GTX Corp's primary function is real-time GPS tracking and recovery location-based services. GTX Corp is well known for its GPS blockbuster smartphone GPS tracking app, Smart Sole and Belt, and Smart Shoe. GTX Corp owns many patents for their products and has won many awards for their technological advances. GTX offers three types of products: standalone device, embedded tracking devices, and a tracking app. The standalone device, the Take-Alone VL200, is a small tracking device that can be put anywhere or in anything you would like a GPS location on. The embedded tracking devices are shoe soles and belts that have GPS technology embedded in them for discrete usage. The insole or belt sends a signal to a web-based monitoring system that tracks the exact location of the person wearing the insole or belt. The tracking app is an application that can be downloaded onto any mobile device. It allows individuals to track objects such as work cars or their loved ones. GTX Corp technology poses a threat to existing healthcare organizations such as long-term healthcare facilities. Utilizing GTX tracking devices for elderly, autistic, or demented patients living at home minimizes the need for long-term care and allows them to live independent lives. The decline in the need by this population of patients will cause a financial hardship to these types of organizations. It would also impact the employment rate of caregivers needed to care for their specific populations. GTX Corp has many partnerships, some that are healthcare oriented, such as VeriStride, Autism Society, TACA, and TrueSense. VeriStride is an organization based in Salt Lake City, Utah, helping people who face mobility issues. GTX is an autism awareness supporter, assisting in aiding autistic individuals live independent lives. Along with TACA, Talk About Curing Autism, an organization based in Irvine, California, who provide resources and education to families affected by autism. TrueSense is a home-based technology for families or caregivers of seniors or individuals living at home with disabilities to help assure their safety. It is not a wearable device, but a sensor that tracks temperature changes, leak detections, or motions beyond target lines in the home. Life Button 24 is a mobile application that allows for live assistance with emergency response situations of loved ones in need. To conclude, GTX Corp is an innovative company that provides products that have changed healthcare from a business perspective. Their products allow for individuals to maintain independence outside the home or healthcare facility. It also allows for a peace of mind for families or caregivers of individuals who have mobility issues or mental disabilities. GTX Corp thrives to stay relevant within healthcare organizations by partnering with other organizations that target groups with safety issues. The collaboration GTX Corp has attained showcases that GPS technology can be more than a piece of hardware. It can be used to save lives. Thank you.